The ocean looks bright blue. Airlie Beach is a town in northern Australia, located next to the famous heart-shaped coral reef in the Great Barrier Reef. It is very popular for a coastal tourism, provides comfortable resorts and water entertainment for its tourists. The town population is just about 3,000 citizens, and it's very clean and well designed. It looks like a perfect beach town. I really enjoyed this place and Australian beach vibe. Aussies are very relaxed and friendly. That is why I'm making this video, to show you and recommend this form of spending your vacation, or even making a longer break in your routine and live new adventure. You can go deeper into the land and discover many interesting places like this one. I'm showing you driving as an example of a fun job and generating good income.
I thought that this is a meme.
If you like a company and you are curious about people, you can also benefit from listening to different accents. I met many English speakers from different parts of the world.
How are you?
You want to go to Woolworths?
Woolworths.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
You can practice your English and social skills. You can listen to audiobooks in your free time, waiting for customers. For me, this time was useful as well to write my rap. You can find some of my art at the link below the video. I am Marcin from Outsider. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to see next adventure.